I am trying to buy a car from Copart, and you can see the car that I'm interested in. And I'm watching a couple, but the one that I'm really interested in is this one right here. You can see it's a '07 GS 350, 172,000 miles. Has some damage. Looks like some fender damage, bumper, headlight. So, it's my first time doing this. I put a little deposit down. I would really like to be in this car for under $3,000 after it's all said and done. But that means with the Copart fees, from what I can find, I really need to get this car for like $1,500. So I don't know if that's possible or not. I've seen some that go cheaper than that. The last one that I was watching went for like $850 or so. So I don't know if that's going to be expected or not. I do see the pre-bid is slightly growing. So I don't know, man. We're gonna try to bid on this car tomorrow at 10, and hopefully, I can get that home, fix it up, and this will be my new daily driver to work. And I give my son my Camry that I currently drive to work every day. So I'll bring y'all along for everything. But like I say, from what I can tell, it's about $1,000 in parts that I would need, so that'll give me $2,000 to spend on the car and fees. So we're gonna have to see. Hopefully I can get the car for $1,500. It's probably gonna be about $600 or so in fees, maybe a little more. So I'm trying to keep it around $3,000. But anyway, I'll let y'all know what's up tomorrow. I record as I'm bidding. If I don't get this car, I do have a lot of other options here. I think, and I want a '07. At least. Is this the one? This one right here doesn't look bad, but it's in South Carolina. And I don't want a South Carolina car because I need a broker. So I want a North Carolina car. Might have been this one. Nope. Damn. Yeah, this one right here is another option. Still has front end damage, needs a hood, bumper, probably lights. So I got my eye on a couple if I can't get that one, but I really want that one that I showed y'all. So we'll see how it goes. All right, y'all. About to get on my first Copart experience here. You can see the car that I want to bid on, '07 Lexus GS 350. Let's zoom in on it. So that's the car I want to bid on. So, like I say, I really need to get this car for under $1,500, I think, to be able to be in it for around $3,000. And what I did to make sure I'm going to do this is I only place a deposit to get up to $1,500. If it goes more than that, then I'm out. That's just to keep me safe. I don't want to get in a bidding war for somebody and I got a point to prove and I done spent $4,000. So we're gonna see what's up. But I'm just watching the bids now. And then when it's time, it says 124 minutes. So I clear my calendar for work and I'll let them know I'm gonna be out for a little bit. And yeah, so we'll see what's up. All right, quick update for y'all. Cars are going for the stupid high today. I think y'all done got them stimulus checks. Cause the auctions I've been following up until now, man, they look like cars are going for like double the price. So it's not looking good for you, boy. See that? It's already at 1,100. I ain't got about 2 clicks and then it's over for me. So we'll see how it goes. We're speaking into existence. But just a comparison, I think a '05 Honda Accord went for $2,300, and they were not going for that at the auctions that I looked at last week. So got a little more money circulating in the country right now, I'm guessing, and it shows. But yeah, 28 cars in front of us. We're gonna try it. All right, so item I want is next. Boy, even the bucket's going for over my max bid. So we'll see what happens. But woof, be a rough one. So we'll see what's up. All right, here we go. Nobody gonna bid? There we go. I'm bid. Hmm. 14. Well, that was that. Don't go for 15.5. I can't add no money. $50. Bro. Oh, wow. $50. $50. Man, y'all see that? Wasn't that some bull? And the crazy thing is, this morning I had started to add more deposit so that I could bid like up to maybe 1,700. But I said, nah, I was trying to be strict. Like I said, I really want to keep it on the $3,000. I can't believe I got beat by $50, man. So, you know, tell them what their max bid would have been. But, you know, first time, we'll see how it went now. And, I don't know, hopefully we can find something else. That's really the only car I'm really interested in. I need something that's older, so it's cheap, but still kind of looks good. And I really only like Toyotas and my American cars, but it's my daily driver 9 times out of 10 gonna be some kind of Toyota Lexus. So one of the most reliable cars. Anyway, so that was my first Copart experience. We'll be back. We're gonna get us something. Peace out.